List slicing. Obtaining a part of list is called list slicing. Syntax is variable within square brackets, start index colon, end index colon, step size. In this example, list item and index are 5 having index is 0, like having index is 1, 2 having index is 2, 10.2 having index is 3. I am giving in this example list 2 equal to list 1 within square brackets 0 colon 2 print of list 2. Let's run it. See, the output is list having items 5 and like list slicing using step size. Now I want to ignore one item after one item, so I will use step size. List 1 equal to within square brackets within double quotes L comma within double quotes I comma within double quotes K comma within double quotes E. List 2 equal to list 1 within square brackets 0 colon 4 colon 2 print of list 2. Let's run it. See, the output is list having items L, K. List slicing using native indexing. In this example, list item and native indexes are 5 having index is -4, like having index is -3, 2 having index is -2, 10.2 having index is -1. Let's take one example for accessing list item using native index. List 1 equal to within square brackets 5 comma within double quotes like comma 2 comma 10.2 item equal to list 1 within square brackets -3 print of item. Let's run it. See, the output is like. You can also specify native indices while slicing a list. In this example, I am giving -3 colon -1 in square brackets. Let's run it. See, the output is list having items like comma 2. Converting to list. We can convert a sequence into a list. Syntax is list of sequence takes a sequence and converts it into list. Let's take one example. String equal to within double quotes like list 1 equal to list of string print of list 1. Let's run it. See, the output is list having items L, I, K, E. Let's take another example. List 1 equal to list of range of 4 print of list 1. Let's run it. See, the output is list having items 0, 1, 2, 3. Reversing a list. Give step size as -1. Leave empty in start index and end index. Let's take one example. List 1 equal to within square brackets 3 comma 2 comma 1. Reversal list equal to list 1 within square brackets start index is empty colon end index is empty colon step size is -1 print of reversal list. Let's run it. See, the output is list having items 1 comma 2 comma 3. Lists are mutable. Lists can be modified. Items at any position can be updated. Let's take one example. List 1 equal to within square brackets 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 5. Print of list 1. List within square brackets 3 equal to 4. Print of list 1. Let's run it. See, the output is list having items 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 5 is changed to 4.